Hey guys, it's Track. This is the first video on the channel, and I'm going to introduce a little bit about the channel. I didn't think this channel is gonna have one specific niche or anything. I'm probably just gonna upload whatever I'm interested in at the moment. Sometime it will be about games, sometime movies or TV shows, or maybe about books too. I've recently started reading, so that's been really fun. How about sports too? And honestly, I just love like discovering random things on the internet. I don't really think this video are gonna be heavily edited or super cinematic. It's just going to be a raw or just a random thought thing I'm going to talk about, I guess. I just want them to fun and really engaging for you guys. Um yeah, I hope it's good. Welcome to Track.